Solar manufacturing from sand primarily involves the production of silicon, which is a key component in solar cells. Here's a brief overview of the process. Sand extraction. The process begins with the extraction of silica sand, which is abundant in nature. Silica, SiO₂, is the primary raw material needed to purification. The silica sand is then purified to remove impurities. This typically involves chemical processes such as acid leaching, which helps to increase the purity of the silicon dioxide 3. Reduction. Once purified, the silica is subjected to a reduction process, often using carbon in an electric arc furnace. This converts the silica into metallurgical-grade silicon, Mg-SiO₂. Refinement. The metallurgical-grade silicon is further refined to produce polycrystalline or monocrystalline silicon, which is used in solar cells. This often involves the Siemens process or other methods to achieve the desired purity over 9999%. Wafer production. The refined silicon is then melted and crystallized into ingots, which are sliced into thin wafers. These wafers are essential for the fabrication of solar cells. Solar cell manufacturing. The silicon wafers undergo various processes, including doping, etching, and coating, to create solar cells that can efficiently convert sunlight into electricity. Module assembly. Finally, the solar cells are assembled into modules, which are then ready for installation in solar energy systems. This process highlights the sustainability potential of using abundant materials like sand to produce renewable energy technologies.